Hello! Today we're here with 2 packs of Stellar Crown. I've never opened these before. I think it's kind of crazy, this little prison these packs are in. These prison packs. They're so securely protected. Good lord. Be free. Okay. 2 packs. Not 1, 2 packs. Okay. First pack, let's see what we get. Boom. That's for you. Boom. That's for me? Me, I guess? Okay. So we got Cubone. Quite like that on Cubone. There's something pretty sick. Milcery. Glameow. Jarbug. He's just a little guy. Briar. Azumarill. Love Azumarill. Give it huge power and we're on to the races. Reshiram. Reverse Hollow Lechonk. Reverse Hollow Lapras. And Grimmsnarl Holographic. Hey. Not bad. Not bad. Obviously not great. Probably pretty bad. Actually probably pretty bad. Yeah, definitely bad. I don't know what the chase cards are. I'm not super invested in this set, but I just like opening cards. I think these look pretty cool. Let's see what you get. And boom. Another basic fighting energy. A Grubbin. A Varoom. Driftloon. Clank. Area 0 under depths. Talonflame. Oh. Boop, 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 boop. Crabominal. It's the Grand Tree. Okay. That's a lot. Is this a Yu-Gi card? Look at all that text. Oh, look at this card. Wow. Squirrel. And whoa, a Grimmsnarl. Okay, guys, we'll go for the winners. Grimmsnarl, Lapras, Lechonk, the Grand Tree, and obviously a real winner here, guys, is our Squirrel. Nice looking card. I actually love that on that. Sick. I do. Squirrel is my favourite of the boss starters. But thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, let me know if you like what you see, and I'll catch you all next time.